Hi everyone, my name is Matt May and I'd like to show you what you can expect when you come to the Jamboree and want to get food and have dinner. So we operate a few of these different food stores at each base camp, and you can come in and shop in yourself just like a normal grocery store or supermarket that you would see at home. Everyone who attends the Jamboree will be issued with a number of points based on the number of scouts that they have in their campsite, which allows you to shop in effect without using money. So we've set this whole thing up using an app which everyone can have on their phone, and what you'll be doing is scanning as you go, like some of the big cash and carry stores that you see in every country these days. So what you would do when you come to our grocery store, pull out your app, scan on one of our QR codes to check in so that we know you're here, and then you'll simply take your wagon with you and follow yourself all the way around the store, finding the different items you want. We stock a wide number of different things for different tastes, different styles, but also for breakfast, lunch and dinner. But the choice is completely yours. If you want to make up your menu before you come, that's great. Otherwise, you can do it off the cuff as you shop around here. We have a number of staff located throughout the store who are willing to help you. You can ask them for advice also on what to cook, how to combine different ingredients. Whenever you're ready, you simply take your phone, it's got everything scanned in that you want to buy on it, and you head over to the exit, see one of the members of staff, and they'll go through the items with you and check you out, meaning that in next to no time you're ready to head back to your campsite and prepare your meal and have a great time at the Jamboree.